Hello, my beautiful family. Welcome to yet another beautiful video. Today's video is very special because I feel that no couple should experience low libido, not when we have natural things, herbs and vegetables to help us boost our libido. For this recipe, we'll be using Greek yogurt unsweetened, red apple, lime, and celery. This is the second smoothie recipe. Now for this recipe, we'll be using some almond nuts, soaked overnight preferably, pineapple, avocado pear, and ginger. Today's video is dedicated to the kitchen documentary. Thank you so much, sis, for your constant love and support and always engaging my videos. If you would like me to give you a shout out in my next video, please drop it in the comment section. With all the goodness that I've brought your way today, I hope no couple experiences low libido ever again. I hope everybody enjoys their bedroom matters. Take it seriously. It is your first ministry in marriage. God bless you. Stay safe. And until next time I see you in my next video, Chidimma Evelyn loves you. Bye-bye.